busy streets, I can only take it that much. All of this is too much. It's hard enough to keep it going. Every day brings different problems. So if you are not adding sunshine to my life, I'ma give you a pass, I'ma give you a pass. If you were to lift me up when my tears dry, it's an easy yes, it's an easy yes for me. Positive vibes, I need positive vibes. Positive vibes, positive vibes. Positive vibes, I need positive vibes. Positive vibes, positive vibes. I just wanna realize, hey, oh, I just wanna to realize. It's hard enough to keep it going. Every day brings different problems. If you were to lift me up when my tears dry, it's an easy yes from me. Positive vibes, I need positive vibes. Positive vibes, positive vibes. Positive vibes, I need positive vibes. Positive vibes, positive vibes. Positive vibes, I need positive vibes. Positive vibes, positive vibes. Positive vibes, I need positive vibes. Positive vibes, positive vibes.
Is this a game? Is this a game? Always try looking perfect, always try to look good, but is beauty's too painful? I don't know if I should. Everything's so expensive, all the girls are so mean. All this pressure to deal with, and I am just a teen. My friends don't really get me since they have everything. Sometimes I'm trying to fake it, cause I wanna fit in. I have to pay my bills, curl my hair to be sweet, acting like someone else, always feeling complete. Is this a game? I have to play. Why should I care? What You know how to hurt better than I do, but I've developed feelings for me rather than for you. For you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you. I'm looking for you, for you, what am I looking for? This feeling's for you. 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 I'm looking for. I don't know what to do now. Can't look at my phone, cause somehow it knows to remind me that it's over. Oh, I finally blocked your Instagram stories, took down all your pics from the walls. I thought that I'd want somebody to hold me. It's not like me to not move on. 1 month in was horrible, and yeah, I couldn't sleep. Then 2, I finally did, but you invaded all my dreams. Then 3, I felt like dying, and then 4, I couldn't breathe. 5 months, you're still with me. I still play our songs in the car, and I still check my phone, think you're calling. I still sometimes pretend you're here when you're not. And I still wear your t-shirt to bed, and I still read the text you would send, and I still wish that you were here, but you're not. I wish you're gone. Thought it'd be a little clearer after some time, and I would see only me in the mirror, but you're still here looking at me. So when you said forever, was it a lie? What did you mean? Was the story really over? You know, in my book it was you and me. I finally blocked your Instagram stories, took down all your pics from the walls. I thought that I'd want somebody to hold me. It's not like me to not move on. 1 month it was horrible, and yeah, I couldn't sleep. Then 2, I finally did, but you invaded all my dreams. Then 3, I felt like dying, and then 4, I couldn't breathe. 5 months, you're still with me. I still play our songs in the car, and I still check my phone, think you're calling. I still sometimes pretend you're here when you're not. And I still wear your t-shirt to bed,
All of this is too much. It's hard enough to keep it going. Every day brings different problems. So if you wanna add in sunshine to my life,